Dr. Zakir, how can a person seek knowledge during the blessed month of Ramadan?
Seeking knowledge is a very good act, especially in the month of Ramadan. There are various ways a person can seek knowledge. Besides reciting the Qur'an, which is recommended thing during Ramadan, a person should even read the translation of the Qur'an. He should read the book of Hadith. And as far as possible, he should read the books which are Sahih, the books of authentic Hadith. The best is the Kutubu Sitta. If you can read that, there's nothing like it. That is Bukhari, Muslim, Sunan Tirmidhi, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan Nasai, Ibn Maajah. These Kutubu Sitta are the best. If time doesn't permit, at least he should read the Sahih books of Hadith, that is the Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. If time doesn't permit, at least he should read the summarized version of Sahih Muslim, or the summarized version of Sahih Bukhari, or at least read the Mutafiq Alaih, the Hadith which are common between Bukhari and Muslim. He can read the book of the Seerah of the Prophet. And the best book on the Seerah of the Prophet in English language is Rahiq al-Maktoum, the sealed nectar, which speaks about the biography of the Prophet. The other book on the Seerah of the Prophet is the book on Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam by Taya al-Ismail. Even that's a good book. A person can acquire knowledge by attending programs. He can go to an Islamic organization, attend lectures, attend seminars. This will increase his knowledge. He can watch video cassettes of Islamic lectures, of Islamic programs. He can hear audio cassettes. He can go on the internet, go to Islamic websites, go to authentic Islamic websites. So these are ways in which a person can acquire knowledge, and this is a good way of spending your time during the month of Ramadan, acquiring knowledge, and surely you will be benefited and you'll get a great deal of reward.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
All of those books, of course, you've mentioned are available in various languages around the world, so there's not really much excuse for somebody not to pick them up during the blessed month of Ramadan. So, Dr. Zakir, what does the term husn al-suluk mean, and what does it mean to be good to your family?
During the month of Ramadan, normally people have another excuse that because they're fasting, they seem to be tired, they seem to be as though they have been drawn. Prophet advised that you should look cheerful and happy. You should not look to be sad. You should be cheerful and happy. And we should especially be good to your family. And you should give more time to your family so that they get reward along with you. As far as doing husn suluk with the other people, this is the month where, besides the normal months, in this month you should be extra good to the people, to your neighbors, to your friends, also to your relatives, do good deeds, forgive their faults, be happy with them, be cheerful. And we should also do tafakkur, that we think and plan our day in Ramadan so that we get the maximum reward.
May Allah make it easy for us to be very, very good and righteous and good of character and follow Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best of character, during this blessed month of Ramadan.